kular hakani kesni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong man long kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilaban pun orlong e hotong ko chongpi. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Ubai alheng ubalong unong elam ka BGP. Hakas pautrik ujaliu aja pun riu. Ulai thu boleh kendu ikinong mikhaman. Jonga Conference of Catholic Bishop of India. But ka North East India Christian Council. Banyakan sani halo kajing terwa ka Sorkar India. Wanrah ya kajing penbet thamai ya ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill. Araja apun riu. Buat lakon turu ya ka Sorkar pedeng. Pakan pan jingmut. Na baro kiken hun. Syapan Wanrah ya kani kamat. Hayang darbar thawan. Ulai thu boleh kendu yu Deputy Secretary. Jong ka Cbci. Haka pratrik ujaliu aja pun riu. Buat kumjuru ya kinong mikhamat na ka Neicc. Banyakan halor kani kamat.
I met the Deputy Secretary of the Cbci, the Conference of Catholic Bishops of India, the Conference of the Catholic Bishop of India. We have met them also, we have discussed this. They were very happy of meeting me and the meeting. And also we had the meeting recently, the last Monday, meaning the 8th of June 2026. We had the meeting with the Neicc, the Northeast India Conference Council, not Northeast India, the Christian Council. I met also the Neicc, the Northeast India Christian Council. We have met them also. We met all the pastors also. We discussed about this issue. So they are also very happy, and we are going to take it forward and will request the Honorable Union Government under the leadership of the Sri Narendra Modi ji. And today I can big congratulations to him. He has completed 12 years as the Prime Minister of India and also the longest serving Prime Minister of our country. And we are thankful for bringing the Viksit. We are also looking for the Viksit Bharat for 2047. Like he is a game changer. He is going to bring change to our country, to our India, and we are looking forward that a better days will come under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister ji. Only from the BJP party and also from my level, we have sent a letter to Prime Minister and all. Before you bring this amendment bill of Fcra, they should take the stakeholder into considerations.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Ïasyllok is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.